Yo, how's it going everyone? As you can see, I've got a Switch 2 here, and in this video I will be showing you how to claim your Mario Kart World that came free with your Switch 2 if you brought the Mario Kart World version. So as you can see on the box here, it says Mario Kart World, which means inside the box I have a code, and I'm able to redeem this code, which means I will be able to play the game. So in order to redeem the code, all you need to do is sign into your Nintendo account. And once you've done that, as you can see, I've got nothing on the screen at the moment. So once you're on the main screen, just simply go across to the Nintendo eShop and select that. You're then going to want to select the account that you want to redeem the game on. So as you can see here, I've got my generic family account, which everyone within my house plays on. And I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but my son's managed to already get a smear mark across the screen when opening it just a minute ago. Anyway, so I am now on the shop. So the first thing that you're going to want to do once you're on the shop is go all the way down to the bottom here, and you're going to see redeem code. You then need to simply go across and then press A. Once you pressed A, you now need to type in your code. So you should have something that looks like this. Now I'm going to simply cover this up because obviously I'm about to redeem it. But this is what you should have. A bit of paper, and it will then have the code on. So I'm now going to go ahead and type in those digits to go ahead and redeem it. I don't know as well whether your box was open when you got your Switch 2. But my box was actually open, and I don't know whether it's because I got the Mario Kart World version, but if your box was open as well, the seal was broken, comment below and let me know and let everyone else know. So I'm now going to go ahead, like I said, and type in my code. Now once you've typed in the code, you simply need to press the plus sign or simply press A on the OK. You then will see a confirmation saying confirm items to redeem. So you can see now I've got Mario Kart World, and I now want to go redeem. I just want to also add, I love how the little selection bit on the buttons and stuff is highlighted and going between a gradient colour. I think that looks really smart. But anyway, I'm going to now go ahead and press redeem. If you do like this video as well, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more Switch 2 videos. I will be trying to do as many as I can over the next coming days. So there we go, thank you. You can see Mario Kart World is now redeemed. If I press close and go back to my home screen, it should say please wait, and then it should say that it's going to begin installing the game. So I'm now going to press OK. And I'm just going to go in order, so what's that say? In order to load virtual game cards to the console, blah, 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 blah. So for now, I'm just going to cancel that because I'm not going to link up my other Switch. Let's just leave that for a second. So there we go. You can now see that Mario Kart World is downloading. And once that's finished, I will then be able to launch the game from the home screen. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you out. Like I said, if you want to see more Switch 2 videos, don't forget to subscribe. And if this video helped you, then click the like button. That's all for now. I will see you in the next video if you do subscribe.